Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. It is that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. In that same area, that's what that pillow is there to remind me, to remind you guys that that thumbs up is important for the growth of a YouTuber on the YouTube platform. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So again, I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay. Today, I'm really excited to have the opportunity to share with you. I just got in my IPSY pop-up order. This is where those items were 2 for $5. I try my best to share with you a lot of the deals that come up, and then I go through it with you guys first, and then I do my little shopping afterwards. And when we were going through it together, there were so many that caught my eye, but I really like to stick within the 2 for $5 section, because sometimes we get lucky where we get some full sizes, and I think I did here today, as well as get to try a couple of mascaras that I tell you all the time that the brushes and the formula are the same in the sample sizes that they are in the full size. So this way we get to try it in for $2 or $3 before we have to make it as a choice item when we get those choices for full sizes. What I also do prior to sitting down here, I share everything on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. I'm able to share some things on the Instagram, like pictures that videos don't do it justice. So we have towers, and we have at the end of the month all of everything that we've discussed here on the channel opened up on my bathroom floor, so you get to really see what a whole month's worth of doing this type of YouTube is all about. So I love being able to share all that with you, but that's on Instagram. So hopefully you will follow me there too. It's free also, and the name there is True Wants with the number 2. So I open up everything prior to sitting down here. I take my picture for Instagram. I remove any excess packaging, and then I grab my notes that I have, and we sit down and we play. So IPSY's pop-up sale is a fantastic sale because they have a lot very similar to the flash sales where they have these deals that are 2 for $5. And like I said, you never know when the package arrives, which items were full size versus which aren't. I got very, very lucky. There's at least half of the items here are ended up being full size. The other thing that they do is when they do these 2 for $5s, they put them in these little plastic baggies, and we are able to know which ones belong to which duos. So really excited about that. So let's get started. I have it all out on my table here with my notes, and we can get started to see what everything is all about. So the first duo that I have is from Tarte and Sophia Mabel. This again was 2 for $5. It says this is a shadow mascara combo. It's the icing on the cake to any date night eye look. The Tarte Sugar Rush is called the Lash Smoothie Volumizing Hemp Mascara, and the Sophia Mabel is the Cleopatra Eyeshadow Quad. This Tarte Sugar Rush, what started me wanting to try this was there was just a deal, which Tarte does all the time also. They usually do it twice a year. It's always full-size products. It's all of their products. And they give a list of products where you can choose from in 6 different categories, and you get to put a customized bag together. And they had a lot of mascaras that I tried. And a lot of the stuff this season were items that I've already enjoyed because I enjoyed Tarte so much that I already had majority of it. So I didn't purchase that fantastic deal this time around. But there was this mascara that I did not know about. And then when this showed up in the 2 for $5s, I wanted to try it so that if this is something I want in the future and it ends up being a choice, even in IPSY, let alone on Tarte or on sale at Tarte, I will know if this is something that I'm gonna want the full size of. So like I said, this is Tarte Sugar Rush. This is their Lash Smoothie Volumizing Hemp Mascara. It is a 2-in-1 formula. It's part mascara, part lash treatment. And it gives your lashes the instant volume and length and helps you deep condition with a blend of avocado and bahuba and plant oils. The wand has short bristles to separate, define your lashes, and long bristles to boost the volume and the curl. It's everything you need in a mascara. So let's open her up and see what this is all about. So as you can see, it's the full-size brush. And like I said, the formula inside is exactly the same. So this is a very unique brush where you can see There's long and short bristles, everything that we just read about. So I'm really excited to give this a shot and see what this is all about. Really, really unique. And I enjoy the Tarte line so, so much. And if you're into cruelty-free and all of that, Tarte was one of the first pioneers to really push that. The next item in here is from Sophia and Mabel. This is the beautiful quad that was inside. And this is called Cleopatra. It is an eyeshadow quad that features 4 golden and chocolate toned shades. There's 1 matte and 3 shimmers. They are highly blendable, super pigmented, and perfect for mixing and matching. I love getting quads, but I really bought this 2 for $5 for that mascara. So this was an absolute amazing bonus. So let's do a little swatchy swatch here. And this is, the colors are beautiful. And then look at that. So let's see if this is gonna be a new find. And I think it will be. This is so exciting. And I love having quads because these are always fantastic to travel with. They're always great to just drop in your purse if you need to little touch me up during the day. I just think they're great. They're always lightweight, and I think that is absolutely beautiful. So really, really excited about that. So that's the first 2 for $5. The second 2 for $5 is a brand that I tell you guys about on this channel all the time. I learned about this brand, thank you IPSY, and it is called Context. And everything that I have tried in reference to their lip products have been amazing. I've been getting them in the $3 section. And the first one I put on my lips, I couldn't wait to sit down and film and tell you guys about it so that when you saw it, you would grab them. They're very moisturizing, but a lot of them have a matte finish, but your lips aren't dried out. They're still moisturizing. They also came out with lip balms, tinted ones, and they're just as fantastic as their lipstick. So now when I have the opportunity to see anything from this brand and I double check to make sure they're new shades, I pick them up. So this was also a 2 for $5. These are not sample sizes. These are their full size. And if you go on their website, these are $20 each. So this is such a find when you get this brand on IPSY. So this is called Kiss My Lips Duo. They're saying it is a 2 stay put shades to wear on repeat all season. One of them is called Hide Your Heart and the other one is called Running Free. And it says Context Skin Matte Lipstick. That's why I'm saying don't be afraid if you see matte. These are moisturizing mattes. It says it may be just the most perfect matte lipstick ever. It has full coverage pigmentation and a comfortable creamy consistency. The formula is impressively long lasting without dryness. It's exactly what my feelings are about it as well. It's formulated with vitamins, antioxidants, botanical oils. This lipstick provides hydrating nutrients that help condition and protect your skin from free radical damage. Lips are kept supple and moisturized with a velvety matte finish. Hide Your Heart is TK, Running Free is TK, it says. So let's get seeing what we have here. So the first one here, handy dandy. This, I'm telling you, I cannot believe how much I use this and how much you guys are enjoying this. So thank you so much. This ended up being in a True Wants bag, and then it became such a runaway hit that we added it to Improving Lifestyles in the accessory section. I will leave that link down below. We're really getting down to the last few of these again. We've replenished so many times. So if you're not familiar and if we're out and you want to, check it out elsewhere, it has this LED light in it, which hopefully I won't blind you guys if I put it to the camera. But an LED light on a magnifier makes the biggest difference in the world. And also a magnifier that goes and closes in itself makes the biggest difference too, so it doesn't get dirty at all. So we were able to pick these up in bulk. So we always, on Improving Lifestyles, are selling you products at wholesale prices direct to consumer. That was our goal, and that's what we ended up doing, because our world that we come from has nothing to do with what we're selling now on our website through Improving Lifestyles. We were in a completely different business before, and what we did was we manufactured, we created products, we did all that in a completely different industry. So for us, this having connections to wholesalers and is who we sold to. We sold to the wholesalers, we sold to all of that. So if I ever was able to access products, I wanted to make sure to be able to pass that along. And then when we had the channel, we decided to make sure that you guys knew about Improving Lifestyles as well. Okay, so this first one is in Hide Your Heart. And that is what this color looks like here. And we'll do one swatch down here. Look at that. And then I'll do a double over here so you guys can see. So beautiful. So if you like that matte, which is so huge right now, but you don't like it that it dries out your lips, these are for you. So definitely don't be like scared when you see the word matte, because I initially was afraid. This is Running Free is the other one. and that is what this looks like here. So one looks like it has more of a rosy tone to it, and the other one, and look how this is like, I don't know if the camera picks this up or not until I see it back with you guys. So this is what this looks like here. And all my videos I do live. I don't do editing. I truly don't have the time. I tried to do editing once and it took so much time that I wasn't able to get up the amount of videos that I wanted to get up for you guys. So because I come from the world of, you know, owning businesses and having meetings where I stand in front of the boardroom and I just speak as well, that is what I do here. I sit down, I put everything down, I have my notes, and then I just share everything with you. So all my videos are pretty much live. So here we go. This is this here, and that is it when we do a double swatch there. Really, really beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Really excited about that beigey one, but that rose one is even pretty. Really, really excited. Two of them, like I said, for $5. That's $40 worth of lipstick right there. And the last one, I got so lucky. This was an item that I could not wait to get my hands on. I started seeing, and now this is available in Sephora. This is Item Beauty, and this they paired up with something from Koki, which I think I've had the opportunity to try before, but like I said, 2 for $5. If this is what I want, and then I end up with a bonus item, and it's something I already enjoy, it's fantastic. And for something that I get to try, it's something fantastic. So these 2 for $5s to me are an absolute steal. So this one here, they're saying the value of this is $28, this $5 kit. And they're saying it is a flawless coverage all day long. These essentials are in it for the long haul. So we have the Item Beauty Air Hug Concealer in Light Warm. And then we have the Koki Cosmetics Mini Fix-It Setting Spray. Look how beautiful this packaging is, so Sephora-ish. And this says it is the Mini Fix-It Up Setting Spray. So this Item Beauty, it says it's an air hug concealer in light warm in your flawless face filter in a bottle. This multitasking, totally lightweight, medium to full coverage concealer hides it all without ever creasing, caking, or fading. Look at the size of this guy. We literally got a full size in here. I cannot believe it. I just wanted to try the concealer, so I would have been happy with any size. But now we have the full size of this, and what a different, the doe foot applicator is completely different. It kind of goes in and it doesn't. I'm gonna try to turn it all the way around, and then I will do a swatch on my hand because this is really, really unique. All right, so let's do this here. The applicator is really, to me, a little weird. I don't know, it kind of has a divot in, but it's really, really firm. So it's not flexing at all. It's like staying very, very stiff. I don't know if I love that yet. I'll know once I play with it on my face. If you've had the opportunity to try the Item Beauty concealer and their wand, please share your thoughts and feelings in the comments down below, because that was really, for me, it was weirdish. So the color is not one that I absolutely love, but I really wanted to test the formula, and I definitely wanted to see the applicator and all of that. So I will play with it, but I would love to know your thoughts and feelings in reference to this. But I really wanted to try the concealer. So for me, to spend $2.50, even if the color is not a great match for me, it gives me the opportunity to play with it a little bit. It also says that, you know, it gives you medium to full coverage. So this might be something on the days when it's the no makeup days, I might try to play with this. So we'll see what that happens. All right, and then the next item in here, we've already discussed. This is from Koki. This one is their Mini Fix It Up Setting Spray that keeps your makeup looking as good as 9 p.m. as it did at 9 a.m., which is always what I look for. It says it is a few quick spritz. It'll rev up your staying powder of your cream, liquid, and powder products. So let's open her up and do a spritz. It's a very fine mist, and there is no scent to this at all, which is really, really nice. And these sizes are so fantastic to keep in your purse, your backpack. You know, even if you're, you know, a weekend warrior and you want to go out and you just need a little, you know, pick me up, these are great. But getting a matte setting spray that's long lasting is always something that I look for, and this was definitely a win because I was picking it up for the concealer. So this was an amazing duo. So that's everything that I have to share with you guys today. So as you know, when I find good deals, I try to share it with you. When I get my spoilers, I try to share it with you. And I want to thank everybody for helping this channel grow, because this was really just an idea a couple of years ago, because I was moving from Canada to the United States full-time, and I had access to the IPSY $10 bag for a subscription, and I was so excited. I was even more excited that I had an ULTA that was not too far away, and I could not wait to shop at ULTA with all their points and their bonuses. And then the subscription boxes just literally became flooding in once we got into BoxyCharm full size, and then their companies grew. So I just added those boxes to my channel and all of that, and then all of these deals. So believe it or not, I think last year was the first year where I didn't reach that plateau on ULTA to be able to have access to, you know, free ship when they have their sales and things like that. So it's blowing my mind how the direction of my life has taken such a different turn, and then being able to have this with you guys and being able to share, and the growth has been so nice because of the connection that I have with you guys, and through the comments has been everything and more. So always love to be able to share when I have a good deal. So this has been a perfect fit for me, because then you're able to enjoy and I'm able to enjoy being able to share it with you as well. And that's it for today. So please share with me in the comments, as I say down below, if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products, because we are a community here. I might have the voice, but you do too, in the comments down below. And that's it for today. Take care, everybody. You stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.